Good morning, students. This is a chemistry class of 8th class IIT students. Our first lesson is in volume 1. Symbols, formula, valency, and equations. Symbols, formula, valency and equations. In this lesson we are going to learn about atom, elements, atom, molecule and compounds. In this lesson, we are going to learn about elements, atom, molecule and compounds. Okay, we have a 26 letters in English alphabet. By using these 26 letters, you can make words. By using 26 letters, you can make words like school, student, and class, someone. Okay, by using these 26 letters, we can make the words like that. We have some elements in periodic table. Elements. We have nearly 118 elements in periodic table. Okay, how many elements we have? So far, nearly 118 elements in a periodic table. Okay, by combining these elements, by combining the elements the compounds, by combining the elements, and we can make various of compounds like letters to, we can make words from 26 letters we can make so much of words, and elements, by combining the elements we can make compounds. The compounds are made from the elements, the words are made from the letters like. So the elements, by combining the elements we can make the various compounds. So compounds are made by the elements. So, finally, we know that elements are form the compound. Elements gives rise to compounds. And what is meant by an atom? What is meant by an atom? Atom is the smallest unit. An atom is a atom. An atom is a smallest an atom is a smallest particle in a matter. An atom is the smallest particle in matter. An atom is the smallest particle in a matter that attains all the properties of an element. What is meant by an atom? Atom is the smallest unit or smallest particle in a matter. Particle or unit in a matter. It attains all the properties of all the chemical properties of an element. So this is the main. An atom is the smallest unit or smallest particle in a matter. It attains all the properties. It means chemical properties or properties of an element. Again, what are the examples of atoms? For example, so we have so much of elements like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, helium, oxygen, potassium, sodium, and these are the elements. And we have some atoms. So, next one, molecule. What is meant by molecule? Molecule is formed. Molecule is formed by bonding two or more atoms. Molecule is formed by bonding two or more atoms. So the combination of atoms is called molecule. So atom is very smallest than molecule. An atom is the smallest particle or unit in a matter. It attains all the chemical properties of an element, and molecule is formed by the bonding two or more atoms, and molecule it attains all the properties of an atom and so two or more. So we are getting the compound from the molecule. We are getting, so molecules are form compounds. Molecules are form compounds. So atom, molecule and compound. So atom is the smallest unit or smallest particle in a matter. It attains all the chemical properties of an element, and molecule is the combination of atom. Molecule is the combination of atom. It attains all the properties of an atom. It is, such substance is called compound. For example, the compound tells for example, take the one compound formula NaOH, NaCl and CaCO3. These are the compounds, and H2O is also compound. So these are the some compounds. So all this one molecule of H2O compound, one molecule of NaOH compound, one molecule of NaCl compound, one molecule of CaCO3 compound. So the formula of the compound tells how many elements are there. Which elements are there? The formula of a compound tells which elements are there. Which elements are present in a compound. And also atoms of, it tells us number of atoms of various elements. These are the compound formulas. H2O is a compound, NaOH is also compound, NaCl is a compound, CaCO3 and CaOH, those are the compounds. The formula of the compounds tells us which elements are present. Which elements are there? Hydrogen element, oxygen, sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, sodium, chlorine or chloride, calcium, carbon, oxygen, calcium, oxygen, hydrogen. So it tells which elements are there. Which elements are there in compound. And also it tells us number of atoms. How many atoms are there? Here only Na atoms. How many atoms are there? Here 2 hydrogen atoms are there. 2 hydrogen atoms are there. Here we observe how many oxygen atoms are there. Here 3 oxygen hydrogen atoms are there. For example, CaCl2. In CaCl2, how many elements are there? Calcium and chlorine. There are 2 elements are there. How many molecules are CaCl2 are there? Only one molecule of CaCl2 compound is there. Only one molecule. Here one H2O, one NaOH2, one NaCl compound, one molecule of CaCO3 compound, one molecule of CaOH compound. So how many atoms are there? Here only one Ca atom and 2 Cl atoms are there. So it tells, for example, there are 2 things. Formula of a compound tells which elements are present in compound, and it tells us number of atoms of various elements. H2O. H2O is a compound. The form of water H2O. How many molecules of H2O compound? One molecule of H2O compound and in H2O compound hydrogen and oxygen elements are present and in H2O compound two hydrogen atoms. How many hydrogen atoms are there? Two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom is there, or two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atoms are present. So H2O is a compound. How many H2O compounds are there? Only one molecule of 2 H2O compound is there. One molecule of H2O compound is there. In one H2O, in H2O compound, which elements are there? Hydrogen and oxygen. And in H2O compound, which atoms of elements are there? two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom are present. And for example, this is the one of the example. And take another example. Three NaOH. 3 NaOH. How many molecules of NaOH compound is there? How many molecules? So this is the suffix or prefix. 3 into NaOH. How many molecules of NaOH compound is there? 3 molecules. 3 molecules of NaOH compound. 3 molecules of NaOH compound is there. And which elements are there in compound NaOH? Na, sodium, oxygen, hydrogen, atoms are present. And now atoms. How many atoms of Na? There are 3 number of sodium and there are 3 atoms, 3 sodium atoms and atoms and 3 hydrogen atoms. 3 NaOH. 3 molecules of NaOH compound and N sodium, oxygen and hydrogen elements are present. There are 3 sodium atoms, 3 oxygen atoms, 3 into N, 3 oxygen atoms, 3 hydrogen atoms are present in NaOH compound. So this is the one more example. And for example, 2 Na2CO3. Na2CO3 is a sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 is a sodium carbonate. How many molecules are there? 2 molecules of of Na2CO3, two molecules of Na2CO3 compound, and which elements are there? Sodium, carbon, oxygen elements are present and now check the atoms of sodium, carbon and oxygen. How many sodium atoms are there? Sodium atoms number of sodium atoms. So number of sodium atoms, 2 2s are 4, and number of carbon atoms, 2. Number of only 2 into 6. Number of oxygen atoms, 2 3s are 6 atoms. So observe, what is the compound name? Sodium carbonate. In sodium carbonate, how many molecules of sodium compound is there? 2 molecules of Na2CO3 compound is there, and which elements are there in compound Na2CO3 sodium carbon? Which elements are there? Sodium, carbon and oxygen. So number of sodium atoms, 2 2s are 4, and number of carbon atoms 2, number of oxygen atoms 2 3s are 6. So we have to know the formula tells us number of molecules of a compound, number of molecules of a compound. Next, which elements are there? Which elements are present in it? Number of atoms of various elements. So these are the main 3 points: number of molecules of a compound, which elements are present in a compound, and number of atoms of various elements present in compound. And Al2SO4 price is a compound. Al2SO4 price is a compound. Okay. Aluminum sulfate. Al2SO4 price means aluminum sulfate. This is the formula of aluminum sulfate. Okay, how many molecules of aluminum sulfate compound? Only one molecule of Al2SO4 trice. Which elements are present in there? Which elements are there? Aluminium, sulfur, oxygen. Next, number of aluminium, number of aluminium atoms, only 2. Number of sulfur atoms, 3. Al2SO4 trice. How many? Only 3 sulfur atoms. Number of oxygen atoms, 3 fours are 12. It means trice. 3 fours are 12. Here Al2SO4 trice, aluminum sulfate. How many molecules of Al2SO4 trice is there? Only one molecule, because there is no only one molecule. Which elements are present? Elements are present. How many number of aluminum atoms are there? The number of aluminum atoms 2. The number of aluminum atoms equal to 2. The number of sulfur atoms 6. 3. The number of oxygen atoms 12. 3 fours are 12. So here the formula gives information of how many molecules of compound is there, which elements are there, and how many atoms of various elements are there in the compound. So this is the complete information about the compound and formula of a compound. And let us see some compounds and formulas. Compound formula. Sodium oxide, NaO. Sodium oxide or sodium hydroxide, sodium hydrox, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium chloride, NaCl, calcium, chloride, CaCl2, potassium, potassium oxide KOH, sodium carbonate, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, sodium bicarbonate, NaHCO. So sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide NaOH, sodium chloride NaCl, calcium chloride JCl2, potassium oxide KOH, sodium carbonate Na2CO3, sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, and compound formula sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and nitric acid, HNO3, nitric acid, HNO3, calcium hydroxide, CaOH, rice, rice. So these are some names of the compounds and formula. Sodium hydroxide NaOH, sodium chloride NaCl, calcium chloride CaCl2, and potassium oxide KOH, and sodium carbonate Na2CO3, and sodium bicarbonate NaHCO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, and nitric acid HNO3, and calcium hydroxide CaOH, right? And some more compounds are there. H2S, and one more gases are there. H2O, CO2, CO, water gas. Water is a compound of CO2, CO, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, H2S, hydrogen sulfide, and NO2, SO2, sulfur dioxide, and CaCl2 calcium chloride and NaCl sodium chloride. So all these gases are common. So CO2. So in CO2 one CO2 or two CO2. CO2 is a compound. One molecule of CO2, one molecule of CO2. Here, which elements are there? Carbon and oxygen are the elements. So, how many atoms of carbon are there? Only one number of carbon atom. There are two atoms of oxygen. Here, two molecules of CO2. And which elements are there? Carbon and oxygen. How many carbon atoms are there? There are two. The number of atoms of carbon is two carbon atoms and four oxygen atoms present in it. And write gas and formula. Metal oxide and formula. Metal oxide and formula. So here some metals, like which metals are there? Calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide means CaO, calcium oxide. Next, magnesium oxide, MgO, ash. This is called ash. And third one, zinc oxide, ZnO, and lead oxide, PbO, and copper oxide, CuO. So this is the metal oxide and his formula: calcium oxide CaO, magnesium oxide MgO, zinc oxide ZnO, lead oxide PbO, and copper oxide CuO. So these are the formulas of the compounds. So when you take, this is 1 CaO and 4 MgO, so 5 ZnO. So when you compare, only one molecule of calcium oxide, here 4 molecules of magnesium oxide, here 5 molecules of zinc oxide. So how many zinc atoms are there? Only 5 zinc atoms are there, 5 oxygen atoms are there. So this is the class of today. Next concepts followed by tomorrow.